I need to shut off YouTube. I finally got an order, shopping for 6 items for $11.75. It is $12.20. So I have been sitting here for a little bit. Start shopping, and DoorDash sends them a nice little message, and this is what we're getting. That's the produce area, and it gives you all the aisles. So, alright, let's start with that. And they want 2 of them. Ah, there they are. I can't see that small, so I'm just gonna try to scan it. Yep, that's the right one. Okay, so they want 2 of them. You just 1, 2, and then add to cart. Now the other one over in this area is deli area. Alright, that is probably over here. Okay, these look like it. And we're looking for pico di galli. Why am I not? I am having trouble finding stuff today. Oh, there we are, right there. And you guys are going to be saying, we knew exactly where that was. We saw it. Yeah, sometimes it takes me a minute. All right. So scan barcode. Alright, that went in fine. Now we can go find the aisles. This is on the border, right here. Got it, thank you. We just want one of those because that's all they have. Alright, now we're going to aisle 17. Going to sour cream, cheddar, bowl and basket, taco bread. There's crab. Taco blend. Alright. Now we're going to look for sour cream. See what we're going to get. Bowl and basket. 16 ounce. Looks like the right thing. Nope, it's not the right thing. That's 24. So when you have that, you got the wrong thing, you just scan again, go back. Alright, so we're looking for 16 ounce. No, 16. What am I thinking? Okay. Should be everything. Small bag. Thank you. Gotta ask for your bags first. Okay, it says proceed to checkout. Go to self-checkout and cashier lane. Thank you. No problem. Alright, and then ask the cashier for bags, which I just did. Pay with your digital card. Card out. Okay. Now we have to, okay, so here we go. Alright. Now what they want you to do, confirm payment, take receipt photo. Alright, then hit send. This card receipt. Before I leave, always make sure that I put all my cards back in my pocket. Alright, well I got $11.75 for that. It disappeared anyway. So, okay, it is $12.53. Oh, it's gonna be one of those days.